Hello, Odyssey students again. Another voting book. This one is called The Wall in the Middle of the Book by John Agee. I think you'll enjoy this one too. Keep your eye, by the way, as we read this together, on both sides of the wall. Both sides have stuff going on that you need to pay attention to. The wall in the middle of the book. There's a wall in the middle of the book. And it's a good thing. The wall protects this side of the book from the other side of the book. This side of the book is safe. The other side is not. But the most dangerous thing on the other side of the book is the ogre. If the ogre ever caught me, he'd eat me up. See the little mouse. That's why I'm glad there's a wall in the middle of the book, and that I'm on this side of it. Uh-oh. What do you think's coming? Wait a second, what's going on? Interesting. Hey, this is not supposed to happen on this side of the wall. Oh, you see what he did? He reached over and picked him up. Wow, thank you so much. Oh no, I'm on the other side of the book. Still stuff is happening on the other. And you're the ogre who's going to eat me up. Oh no. Ha ha ha. I'm actually a nice ogre, and this side of the book is fantastic. Oh. Come on, I'll show you around. Oh no. Hey ogre, wait for me. Look what fun they're having. The end. Alright, so this is a voting book. Remember that you can vote. I'll put the link down below so that you can vote there, and I'll count your votes. They do need to be counted up by sometime around the first week of April, right before spring break. So, there you go. The wall in the middle of the book. Bye.